I'm going to show you how to register at BcoinWise. First of all, if it comes from our team, you're going to receive this channel, which makes it easier for you that you can forward to other people. And you're going to receive, use this link to join at the bottom. Once you've joined, you're going to replace those 4 numbers at the back with your numbers and send it to your people. But for now, you're going to register. Click on here, use this link to join at the bottom, the blue part. And now you must put in all your details. It must be real details. Your cell phone number has to be without a 0 in front. And that is going to be your username for this app. You're going to put your email address in. Let's see if I don't put an email address in. It's accepting that. Okay, then your address. The postal code is important. Remember to put that in. Now you've got 2 options to choose who you're going to join under. The referral link is already there because that is the blue part you clicked on. Otherwise, you can click on mobile number and put their cell phone number in without the 0. But here, you've got the sponsor's referral. You are happy. Now you're going to choose a password, which is 8 letters long. It's got to have a capital letter. So you can send green. It's got a capital letters, it's got small letters, it's got names, numbers, and it's got a different sign, at, equals, whatever. And then you're going to confirm that at the bottom. Okay, so your passwords match. Now you're going to see here at the bottom of, you're going to click on that block and you're going to say sign up. Now it's asking you to make a payment. You can see your reference will be your cell phone. So we're going to say continue. It says at the top, registered success. You're going to close the app and then you're going to see you received a message saying that you are registered. Go log into Cellbucks and it's going to give you a number. Write that number down. Cellbucks. So now I'm going to click here on the HTTPS at the bottom because now I'm going to register, log into Cellbucks. You're going to click there and you're going to put in your username. Remember, it's the 27 without the 0. And then your cell phone number. And then you're going to type in the number that your SMS said. I'm going to log in. And here you can see when you've started earning, you get paid every Friday as soon as you've got somebody that joined before Wednesday, 5 o'clock. On to our CoinBWise because we want to get your reference number. So how are you going to do that? Okay, so now you want to go and get the apps on your phone. These are the 2 apps